Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and welcome to your daily Bitcoin market update. Let's call it like that. We have some fundamentals, we have some news to talk about, some pretty big news, but we actually, surprisingly, in my opinion, haven't had any very big moves. We've been recovering slowly as expected. So we'll talk about those technicals as well, but there are some major fundamentals, which we actually briefly talked about yesterday as well. But then they were just rumors, and these rumors have been in the air for quite some time. Excuse me. Today they finally came true. So let's just start with that. I think that's the best thing. I don't want to wait with that too long. And that is this: Genesis Global files for Chapter 11 bankruptcy. And there were some things I wanted to say. So Genesis Global is the lending unit of Digital Coin Group. Digital Coin Group being one of the biggest venture capitals in crypto. So if they would fall, it would be very tough for the markets. Genesis, it's also tough, but a little bit less tough, I would argue. There are some big institutions working with Genesis lending who are in trouble, but like Gemini, for example, the crypto exchange. But the effects are way less. All right. So and as also seen in the markets, this was already kind of priced in. I think part of the bearish moves we had yesterday, or this was actually 2 days ago, we're already pricing in that Genesis Global was going to go bankrupt, and maybe we even priced it in somewhere down here. Could very well be. I even think that's pretty likely. But they fell. It is contemplating a dual track process. They're pursuing a sale, capital raise, and or equitization transaction. So yeah, a lot could still happen. We need some updates on this, but they are at least filing for bankruptcy, so they could still be bought by a different party. They could still raise some capital and go with a new ownership. A lot of things going on. And then Gemini co-founder Cameron Winklevoss tweeted to bankruptcy is a crucial step toward Gemini users being able to recover their assets, but claimed Digital Coin Group and its CEO continue to refuse to offer creditors a fair deal, threatening to file a lawsuit. So there's still things to be said about everything that's going to happen, but for now, we at least erased some bearish fundamentals, which I think is a very positive thing. So what that did to the markets, and something good to know is that the dollar strength index is also still bearish today, still very well following the downtrend. Here you can see we're respecting the 28 EMA, which is great. So what you can see from all of that is that the fundamentals right now are arguably more bullish than bearish again, which is a great thing. So what I said yesterday, I still think is true. Right now we have found resistance at around 21,000 and 21,100. That's a minor resistance level. But we have already broken above 20,800 and 20,850. So what I expect now, given the fundamentals, is that we will be able to find support at that level. Here you can see it's a very minor level. Like specifically, it's around 20,840 if you want to locate it yourself. I think we'll find support there, and I think somewhere maybe in the weekend, because the weekend is almost coming up, and in the weekend we have been pretty bullish. Last time around we made some new higher highs. I think somewhere there we will be able to break above 21,100, 21,200, that level, and get towards our previous highs around 21,500 and 600. Now, if we can break that, I'll talk about that in a different video. I think so, but obviously most of you know that depends a lot on the fundamental developments as well. So that's my take on Bitcoin for today. It's a pretty nice video, I think. If you do have any questions, as always, let me know. But for now, take care and bye.